Welcome back. This is John again, and I have a Bradford sewing machine. Looks to be from mid-60s, I would guess, maybe early 60s. And this is a straight and zigzag machine, and it also takes cams. I didn't get any cams with it, so I don't know what all it can do, but the cams go on this little opening up here on top. But it does do zigzag, so that's what this lever is, zigzag width here. And these two buttons control where the lever stops. So if I wanted to keep it all the way to the right at 5, I would slide this over, and then the lever can't move. You can see the little pointers here, little stoppers. So if I didn't want it to go anywhere, I would move that other pointer all the way over to the left, and now the zigzag lever is stuck where it is. If I wanted to keep it in one spot in the middle, I would move them just like that, and that keeps it there. But if you just want to be able to mess around with it from 0 to 5, you just leave them all the way out at the sides. And then this knob is the stitch length knob. Goes from 0 to 4, and it controls the length of the stitch. And I'm not quite sure what this does. I think it has something to do with the cams up on top, but I don't have any cams, so I don't know really what that means. And then, of course, the reverse button in the middle there. Bobbin winder up on top. And this is takes class 15 bobbins. Pretty straightforward. It's an all metal machine. Doesn't have any plastic parts anywhere that I can see. Runs very quietly too. Smooth. This is a Japanese-made sewing machine. It's got that number down here. This one says JA28, and most of the Japanese sewing machines from this era have some number down there, like JA4 or JC6 or something. This one's JA28. This knob is for raising and lowering the feed dogs. If you want to do darning, you'd put it over in the darn spot. Or if you have light material, you put it to silk. And normal is over to the, I guess it would be to the right, counterclockwise. Let me thread it for you. Goes through curlicue there, and this little guy here in the front, down through the tension discs, gets caught on the check spring, and then up through a hook up there, and then it has this keeper thing that keeps all the thread from getting caught up in the wrong place. Open this up. It's got a little hook down here. We hook the thread through. And then down on the right side or the left side is another loop. And then it goes through the needle. And we pull the bottom thread up through. Whoops, it's caught there. There we go. This is a standard class 15 bobbin down underneath. Don't know if I mentioned that already. you notice, the foot raises up quite high, so you can get a lot of layers of something in there if you want. I'll just fold this up. That's 8 layers. That fits under there very easily. So we'll just do a straight stitch. Okay, let's try some zigzags. Shorten the length and do a full width zigzag. And there you have it. I wish I had some cams for it, but I don't, so I can't show you how the cams work. But all metal, mid-60s I would guess, and it'll be around for another 50 or 60 years, I'm sure, unless somebody just gets tired of it and throws it away. But very nice machine. Thank you for watching.